Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to uh, change your display name on Facebook from PC, laptop or MacBook. So you can see this is the profile page, right top corner on your screen. Simply click here and then click here settings and privacy, and again click settings, and after that you have to click here personal details. Simply click on that, and then you can see this is my Facebook name, and if you have the Instagram through this account, then you will see your Instagram account also. So I'm just going to click my Facebook name, and then you can see like name. So this is called a display name. So you can see this is my name, and you will see my name on the display, and other people see your name on the display. So simply there is a three inbox, okay, but you have to give your first name and last name and manage other name. If you click here, then you will get manage other name, but you can review change. Then like you can review change after giving your name. Simply click review change, and it will be successfully changed. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.